Hello, everybody out there in the land of make-believe. Wolf Wizard here at the bench, and it is Show and Tell Tuesday. It's Tuesday for me, but this is going to be a Show and Tell Tuesday on Wednesday because I'm going to get a little lazy. I'm not going to get this video out in time for it to still be Tuesday. But it's still show and tell time, and I got these critters. Now, let's see, this is Show and Tell Tuesday number 4. If you go back down there, while you're down there, like and subscribe, but you go down, check out the channel, Show and Tell Tuesday number 1, episode 1. I was working on this critter here, and this one here. This one here. And I had just a lump of clay, and I was poking at it, and then this happened, and I said, oh, I'm going to go with this. This critter needs some friends. So bing bang boom, ended up making 4 more critters. I actually made 5 critters. Where's the other one? This. Rejected. It lost a foot. Rejected this critter. Made it. Had little ears and stuff. But in the end, I said, I don't like you, critter. I'll make something. I got some good ideas here. But anyway, boom, gone. So I made these 5 creatures altogether. The thing is that I follow the teachings of the Principia Discordia, and as a Discordian, I must obey the law of 5s. So I made these 4 models, and then I made the 5th model. Was ready to go. I decided, hey, this is going to be a toy series. I'm going to call these Space Cooties. So these are my Space Cooties, and they're teeny weeny. You can look here. It's just a little square is an inch. So that's about a little over an inch, inch and a half, something like that. Okay, too small. Too small. You know, I've never done resin casting before or made silicone molds, and so I was like, okay, I want them all to be 2 inches high, and just so they're a little easier to deal with. So I use these 4 as a basis for boom, my Space Cootie collection. Space Cooties. So let's get rid of you here. So now I got 5 Space Cooties. This one here that I didn't like. When I got to the 5th one, I just made up one. I just made one up. Just started poking, and that's when I came up with this creature here. And I think it's the best one myself. That's just me. That's just my opinion. This one's pretty good too. I like them all. I actually really like them all. Now I'm untrained. I'm an untrained, unskilled sculptor. I just do stuff. I get some medium and I do stuff with it. And some medium I can do stuff with, and some medium I cannot do stuff with. But I've been digging this sculpting now that I'm getting into it. And so I came up with these creatures. And I'm calling them the Space Cooties. And what do I got? And I named them. And my mom asked me how I came up with the names for them, and I'll tell you. I'll tell you how I came up with the names for them. This one is Zweezel, and I don't know. I was looking at it, made it. I said, "Oh, that's a dweezil. That's what that is." But then there's a rock musician, Frank Zappa's kid, is named just Dweezil Zappa, so I didn't want him to be named after Zappa, so I changed it to Zweezel with the Z. So there's Zweezel, there's that one, and then the next one I made was this here. Now this looks like kind of like something from Tremors, right? It's like some sandworm of some sort. And in Tremors, they called the sandworms there graboids. So I call this one's called a groid. Groid. Shortened graboid to groid. So we got Zweezel, groid, and then this one's Meltor. I don't have to explain it. There's no explanation necessary. Meltor, right? Yar. And who we got back here? Oh, here, this is a deep dive. So this one I'm calling Nrog, N-R-O-G, Nrog. It's an homage to a classic Star Trek character called the Gorn. So just spelt it backwards. Just Gorn spelled backwards is Nrog. So this is Nrog. And then lastly, this is Lolligo, L-O-L-L-I-G-O, I think, Lollygog? I'm going to call it Lollygog. Lollygog. Yeah, this one's Lollygog because it's easier to say. But Lolligo is, it's squid. in Latin, lollygo. Now you learnt something. See, it wasn't a total waste of time. But yes, I'm going to call this one lollygog. So that is my Space Cooties lineup. Now I'm already working on another series. Calling them Galaxy Pets, and they'll be pets. They'll be little pet looking things. So that one's coming up later. That's it for this Tuesday. Stay tuned till next Tuesday, which will be a Tuesday and not a Wednesday, for more show and tell fun. Always remember, never forget your vision. Godspeed, Earthlings.